Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. We all know that feeling. You're on a fantastic trip, exploring a new city, and bam. You need to pay for something, but your wallet's nowhere to be found. Panic sets in, you retrace your steps, desperately hoping that bulky plastic rectangle isn't lost. Been there, done that, right? Well, what if I told you there was a way to ditch the wallet stress altogether and travel smarter? Enter YouTrip and Google Pay, the dynamic duo that's about to revolutionize your travel experience. But before we dive in, let's get one burning question out of the way. Does YouTrip actually work with Google Pay? YouTrip and Google Pay, a match made in travel heaven. The answer, my fellow adventurers, is a resounding yes. YouTrip seamlessly integrates with Google Pay, allowing you to ditch the physical card and pay for everything with just your trusty smartphone. Imagine strolling through bustling markets in Marrakesh, tapping your phone to pay for handcrafted souvenirs, or grabbing a quick bite at a Parisian cafe, all without needing to fish out your wallet. Sounds pretty sweet, doesn't it? Here's why YouTrip and Google Pay are your travel BFFs. Okay, so convenience is a major win. But why choose YouTrip specifically? Well, buckle up, because YouTrip boasts a whole arsenal of features designed to make your travels smoother than ever. Zero FX fees. You know that sinking feeling when you see hidden currency conversion charges on your bank statement? Yeah, YouTrip eliminates that pain point. You get the real exchange rate every single time. Competitive rates. YouTrip doesn't play the sneaky fees game. They offer some of the most competitive foreign exchange rates around, saving you precious money on every transaction. Multiple currencies in one card. Gone are the days of juggling multiple cards for different currencies. YouTrip lets you hold and spend in over 150 currencies, all from the one card, or, in this case, your phone. Instant top-ups. Need to add some funds on the go? No problem. YouTrip allows for instant top-ups from your bank account, keeping your travel funds readily available. Travel perks galore. YouTrip partners with a ton of travel companies, offering exclusive discounts and deals on everything from flights and hotels to activities and attractions. How to link YouTrip with Google Pay? A breeze. Now that you're sold on the YouTrip and Google Pay dream team, let's talk about how to make it happen. The good news is, the process is incredibly user-friendly. Here's a quick rundown. Open the YouTrip app and navigate to the Cards section. Select the card you want to add to Google Pay. Look for the Add to Google Wallet button. It might be slightly different depending on your region. Follow the prompts on your screen, confirming your billing address and accepting the terms and conditions for both YouTrip and Google Pay. Verify your card using a one-time code sent via SMS or email. And that's it. You're now ready to pay with Google Pay using your YouTrip card. See, wasn't that easy? Bonus tip, unlocking the full potential. To maximize your YouTrip and Google Pay experience, here's a quick tip. Download the YouTrip app before your trip and top it up with some funds in advance. This way, you'll be ready to hit the ground running and avoid any last-minute scrambling for currency exchange. Traveling smarter with YouTrip and Google Pay. By combining YouTrip's fantastic features with the convenience of Google Pay, you're setting yourself up for a stress-free and budget-friendly travel adventure. No more wallet worries, no more hidden fees, just smooth sailing and incredible experiences waiting to be discovered. So ditch the bulky wallet, embrace the power of mobile payments, and start planning your next adventure with YouTrip and Google Pay as your travel companions. Trust me, your future self will thank you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy travels.